How to set up a quiz. Hi, I'm Ryan Huff. In this video I'll show you how to create a quiz with Thrive Quiz Builder. But before I get into it, I wanted to take a step back and explain why I'm making this video. Firstly, this video is a part of a series of videos where I show you exactly how to make a Clicky website with WordPress. I've laid out my entire process in easy to follow mind map with process notes and the Clicky website templates. If you'd like a free copy, just head on over to my website by clicking the link that will. How to set up a quiz. So the first thing you want to do in your WordPress admin is go to Thrive Dashboard and then Thrive Quiz Builder. Then you want to click on Add New. You've got a choice here. In this example I'm choosing List Building and then Continue. Give your quiz a name and Continue. Then choose Type. I'm going to do a right-wrong quiz and then Continue. I would like to show the correct answer after the user's made the choice, and then I'm going to save that. And I'm going to choose my quiz style. In this particular one I'm choosing the grey-orange quiz, and then I'm choosing that style. Then I'm going to manage my questions. I'm going to add a question. And I'm going to pick the multiple choice with buttons and Continue. And you put your question text in there, a description in there, and an answer in there. And then to add a new answer, you click the new answer. So I've added two incorrect answers. And then I'm going to click Save. So to put your quiz on your site, you could copy this quiz shortcode. So now I'm going to go into Pages, All Pages. I'm going to basically go into my quiz page and edit with Thrive Architect. So this is just a blank quiz page that I set up. So I'm going to go to my page setup, choose a landing page template, and save landing pages. Then I'm going to do the Clicky home page and I'm going to go choose template. So now what I want to do is drag this quiz item into my page, and then I can click on the select a quiz, and I can choose the quiz that I've just created, so my digital marketing quiz. And so that basically shows that has come into the page. I can then save that and delete the stuff that I don't need on this page. So that's what my quiz looks like, and I'll just click on Start Quiz. And there's the question, that's the description, and those are the three choices. So I'm going to click on that one. So I've gone through the quiz, and this is basically the results page. It shows me I got 5 out of 10. So now you can edit basically all of those components. So I'm going to go back into Thrive Dashboard and Thrive Quiz Builder. I'm going to go to Edit Quiz. I'm going to choose the splash page and manage. Then I'm going to go Edit Design. And then I can use my Thrive Architect items to change the design of the splash page. So if I go back into Digital Marketing Quiz, I can also manage the opt-in gate. I can edit the design, and once again I can edit this with my items in my Thrive Architect. And back to Digital Marketing Quiz and the results page, I can manage that as well. Edit design, and then I can change this page as well. And that's everything you need to know for making a quiz. Remember, if you want to get a copy of my free mind map, process notes, and the Clicky website templates, then just head on over to my website to download it. There's a lot of back-end work and plugins that go into setting up a Clicky website. I do offer a paid service to do everything for you. If that's of interest, you can email me at ryan@clickywebsites.com or visit my website. I regularly add new videos to my channel, so make sure you subscribe if you want to get them as soon as possible. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comments what other videos you'd like me to make.